Hi, Victor here from Crewe, and I'm delighted to present this rather lovely BMW X1 2.0 18d SE Auto sDrive. Finishing a striking orange, this compact yet capable SUV is powered by 2-liter engine delivering robust yet efficient performance. It has also been thoughtfully specified with optional extras to enhance your driving experience. At the front, the bright halogen headlights and fog lights ensure super visibility in variety of conditions. The sleek lines and bold silhouette are perfectly complemented by the vibrant orange finish. And 17-inch alloy wheels balance sportiness with just the right amount of refinement. Large taillights enhance visibility and safety, and for added convenience, the reversing assist camera makes parking feel effortless. The automatic tailgate makes access in the boot magically easy, especially when your hands are full. And behind it, you'll find plenty of room for everyday essentials or weekend luggage. And the rear seats fold down in a clever 40-20-40 split configuration. The rear cabin has been upholstered in high-quality grid cloth, and the seats are both supportive and durable. The manually sliding rear bench adds even greater flexibility, allowing you to optimize space for passengers and luggage. At the front, the optional grid cloth seats offer excellent support and comfort, while dual-zone automatic climate control lets both the driver and passenger travel in a harmonious environment. The sun protection glazing reduces glare and keeps the cabin cool, making it perfect for summer drives. The multifunction leather steering wheel is a hub of convenience with gearshift paddles for a more dynamic driving experience and intuitive controls for audio calls and cruise control. Everything you need is at your fingerprints. Behind the wheel, the driver's display delivers clear, concise information, ensuring you're always in the know. The dual-zone climate control system is both practical and refined, ensuring comfortable journeys whether it's a frosty morning or a blazing summer afternoon. The BMW Navigation System and Infotainment setup in the X1 are masterclass of design. Everything is accessed via the central display and iDrive controller, ensuring seamless operation. This gives you access to radio and media, as well as Bluetooth communication and built-in navigation, which takes the stress out of planning your journeys. With BMW Connected Drive, you can access services and apps designed to enhance your driving experience, from weather updates to concierge services. Thanks to My Vehicle menu, you can also monitor key details like fuel efficiency, maintenance schedules, and driver profiles, everything you need to stay informed. On top of that, the vehicle is also equipped with parking camera, which gives you a clear, high-resolution view of your surroundings, making parking a breeze, even in the trickiest spots. This has been a presentation of the BMW X1 2.0 18d SE Auto sDrive, now available at Motormatch in Crewe. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call.